Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney, and I put the M and the E in Team Tackney. Woo! So today we are at 12572 Adams Street in beautiful, sunny Garden Grove, California. Can't wait to show you this banging pool home. Come on in. So we're going to start off here in the formal dining room. Right next to that, we have the kitchen. And on the other side of the kitchen is the original garage, which is currently being used as a family room. So you have washer and dryer here, and extra closets for storage space, and then this wonderful space to throw the kids in and have them go wild. This is not currently part of the almost 1,900 square foot of living space. That is all behind me. So what's great about this Plan 7 garden park model is you have kitchen, dining, and living room here, and down the hallway is all of your bedrooms. It's included in this one as well, but there's 5 bedrooms on this side of the home. Let's go take a look. So I'm here in the primary suite of the home. This was actually an addition, permitted addition that was done in the late 60s. It's very unique to this model because it's off the front of the home. You have this big, huge, spacious bedroom, walk-in closet. I don't know if you can see it down there, but there is a safe. You can change the combo and keep it. And then you have your ensuite full bath as well, which is really nice because you also still have 4 bedrooms and 2 baths on this wing of the home, plus this fantastic master suite. So here I am in this backyard of 12572 Adams Street, and you can see it is an entertainer's delight, if you want to call it that. It's got the covered patio with the aluminum patio cover. It's got a working fire pit, along with this amazing pool and diving board, but I'm not going to say you can keep the diving board. You're going to have to talk to your insurance company about that. But it's an amazing pool, amazing backyard. You're in close proximity to Edgar Park. The schools that the kids would be going to: Barker Elementary, 10 out of 10 for grade schools; Bell, 10 out of 10, and Pacifica High School, a 9 out of 10. An amazing home waiting for you to come tour it. So if you want a private showing, give us a call today. And if you want to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe to our channel down below, and please give us a like. Thank you so much for viewing. See you on the next one. Bye for now.